Hello, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial. This is Hassan Mir from 02protraining.com. So this is the file we created in the previous session. So whatever you enter in this file is for the browser to read and to execute. So all these instructions will be executed by the browser, and browser will perform certain actions based on what you have written here. But sometimes in a program file you might want to put in something that is not for the compiler, and that is just for you to read and for others to read, and that text is called comments. Main purpose of comments is to produce proper documentation so that whoever is looking at the program can see the purpose of each section. And another purpose of comments is to block certain code or lines from execution temporarily so that you can troubleshoot some problem. You might want to say, okay, let's see what will happen if I remove these two lines from the program. And you don't really want to delete those lines because it's hard to put them back, so you want to block them from being seen by the compiler. So that is another usage of the comment. You comment those lines so that they are not read by the browser. So let's see how you can do commenting in JavaScript. If you want to do one line comment, you use two slashes and you can put your comment here. Following are the variables, and I can put another comment here. Alert function will display message on the screen. Now the program will behave exactly the same as without comments. It should have no impact on the functionality. And if I want to do a block commenting, if I want to put lots of lines, multiple lines in a comment, I can use this block commenting syntax. Slash and asterisk is the start of the block comment, and asterisk and slash is the end. These lines are commented. If I save the work and run the program again, it should behave exactly the same way as it was behaving before. Let's say this time I don't want the first alert to get fired. Okay, so I'm going to block the first alert as well. Let's save the work and see what happens. So here I'm in the browser, and let's run page.html. So first alert is skipped. Ajax training alert is fired, and then we have 10 Ajax training, which is the second alert. So do make a regular practice of adding comments to your program, explaining each section briefly, what each section is supposed to do, so that when somebody else, or even when you are reading the program again after some time, you know what the program is intended to do in each section.